Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. First of all, make sure to plug in the charging cable to your device and keep it charging the entire time. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings, we're gonna have to go to System on the sidebar. Then select Recovery, and then in Recovery menu select Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. Now if you select Keep My Files here, you will basically just reset your settings and applications, and if you select Remove Everything, you will erase your device fully and perform an actual factory reset. So if you want to perform a full reset of your device, you're gonna have to select the second option right here. And then on the following page, if you have an internet connection, you can select between cloud download and local reinstall. Now, if you select cloud downloads, you'll download the fresh Windows copy first and then install it on your device. It's gonna take some time, but you will get a brand new Windows copy. So if you think that your system files are corrupted or you suspect some malware on your device, then go with the first option, as well as if you are preparing your device for reselling. Now, but if it's just a factory reset, a regular factory reset operation, go with local reinstall. On the following page, select Change Settings. Here we have some additional options. First of all, we can decide whether or not we want to clean the data completely. So if you select No, then you will just remove your files, which is quicker but less secure. And if you select Yes, you will wipe the hard drive completely, and it will take more time, but this operation will also make it harder to recover these files afterwards. Now, here we can select whether we want to delete the data from all drives. So if you want to delete the data from all drives and not only from the system drive, then switch this toggle to the right. And here you can also decide whether you want to delete provisioning packages from your workplace. So select Yes or No. This option, Download Windows, is basically switching between local reinstall and cloud reinstall if you switch this toggle to the right. So make your choice, then click Confirm, then click Next. Then wait for a moment. And when you're ready to perform a factory reset operation, click Reset, and your PC will begin to prepare for a factory reset operation. After it's prepared, your device will automatically restart and the factory reset operation will begin. And yeah, at this point, we just have to wait until the device is fully reset. And at this point, the factory reset operation is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.